Representative Timothy Cayton.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chair, to the members of the committee, to the DPWH family, Honorable Secretary, isang gabing kay ganito sa atin lahat. Just a few, konti lang ho na katanungan. I am representing the province of Nueva Vizcaya. And I would like to extend my congratulations, of course, to the Secretary bilang bagong appointed na Secretary ng DPWH. And at the same time, as I can see it, you've showed us very exceptional management and direction of the DPWH, sir. So ngayon pa lang ho, saludo na ho ako sa inyo. And at the same time, under the brand new leadership of the House of Representatives, I know through our concerted effort, we would be able to regain back the trust of the people and get back to where we truly belong as the steward of or custodian of the Filipino dream. Ang tanong ko lang ho, Mr. Secretary, I don't know if this already asked by the other members, yung slashing ng 30%, almost 30%, of the DPWH fund, in particular the flood control, pupunta ho ito sa other priority sectors like education, health, and including social protection. Meron ho bang guideline kung saan in particular na program po pupunta yung mga tao? Wala pa po.
Meron pong, ito po ay recommendation ng ating Pangulo at meron na po atang nagawang menu, specific menu ang Department of Budget and Management para po sa pag-reallocate nitong pondong nawala sa flood control, roughly about 252 plus billion pesos. I think po ang DBM ay meron na pong specific na menu para po dito.
Okay, so maybe later on we'll be having the copy of the menu. It's next question, sir, is it's a parochial concern in the province of Nueva Vizcaya. In our province, we have 2 DPWH districts, and we have a total of 387 kilometers of national roads, the primary, secondary, and the tertiary road. At bilang bago ho na congressman ng Nueva Vizcaya, ako ho bago ako naging congressman, I have noticed a portion of the Maharlika Highway. Most of the time, meron hong panahon na kailangan na hong palitan kaagad yung mga pwede pa hong, it would appear to me na pwede pa yung daanan, binubungkal ho kaagad at pinapalitan, inidig ng espalto. Ito ba what's the main reason of this changing? Is it the planning or is it the design or maybe the quality of its implementation, sir?
Mr. Chairman, no, na-raise din po ito kanina at tingin ko po dapat pag-aralan pong mabuti ito. No? Ngayon na tayo'y nandito ngayon at bago tayo sa DPWH, kailangan pong pag-aralan po talaga ang wisdom nitong pagre-reblock ng mga existing na kalye at itong pag-asphalt overlay. No? Dahil po marami pong pera ang ginagastos dito, habang marami po sa mga areas ng Daang Maharlika, in dire need po, hindi lang po of repair, kundi kailangan po talagang gumawa na ng panibagong kalye. So, i-review po natin ito, Mr. Chairman, no? Itong policy na ito ng nakaraang mga administrasyon sa DPWH na parang pong paulit-ulit na pagre-reblock at paggigiba ng mga kalye na hindi tayo sigurado kung talagang sira-sira na o pwede pa naman. At dahil po doon, nawawalan ng pondo yung pagsasaayos ng ibang mga portions ng Daang Maharlika. So makakaasa po kayo, pag-aaralan po nating mabuting to ng mabilis para po magkaroon tayo siguro ng bagong pulisiya dito. So para ma-prioritize po natin talaga yung mga area na talagang kamukha po ng mga pinakita sa atin kanina sa Region 8 na talaga pong sira-sira na at kailangan na pong ayusin.
Yes, thank you so much. I would suggest, sir, kailangan ho talaga ma-review na because there are still some parts, of course, not only in my province, na kailangan lang ma-prioritize sana na maayos instead of yun hong pinapalitan ka agad. Second is in my province, traffic ho ang problema doon sa region 2, especially in the municipality of Jadina. There are slow-moving vehicles, especially in the national highways. And usually, ang culprit ho nito ay the overloading of trucks, implementations ng mga projects within the highways. Gusto kong tanungin ho, sir, kung meron na ho ba tayong the possibility of widening the national highway in within the area of Santa Fe and at the same time in municipality Jade, or maybe the identification of alternative routes, or maybe the construction of a new bypass road to help ease the traffic situation within the area, especially in the municipality of Jade.
Opo. Unang-una po, kausap ko po ang ACT natin sa Region 2 at in-inform po niya ako na meron pong plano talagang i-widen. Ngayon po, ang status po for award na. For award na po at pagkatapos pong i-award, kailan tayo mag-award? Pero tapos na ang bibili. Within 15 days po, ma-award na daw po. At masisimulan na po natin ang widening dito sa sinasabi niyo pong national highway natin na mukha po talagang makitid dahil 2 lanes lang.
Yes. Kasi sa national highway na yun, Maharlika Highway, that's part of Maharlika Highway, parang 2 lane lang ho. So it's good to know na mag-widen na pala. So thank you so much for that, Sir Secretary. One thing more, within the national highway, Maharlika Highway, we have here within the vicinity of in Bambang, in King's College, and at the same time the Regional 2 Trauma Medical Center or the R2 TMC in Bayombong. Is it possible na mag-construct po ng bridge, underpass or overpass doon sa within the Maharlika area para ho para mawala ho yung traffic doon, at the same time yung safety ho ng mga students and other pedestrians? Is it possible for the construction, sir?
Opo. Papa-assess po natin kay RD at sa ating Bureau of Design para po matignan natin kung pwede po itong magawan kaagad ng study para sa isang either overpass or underpass. Pero in first step po, kailangan ma-assess po ito at mapag-aralan po ng ating Bureau of Design. Papagawa po natin immediately, Mr. Chairman.
Sige, thank you, Secretary. Anyway, nandiyan si RD. Lastly, Sir Secretary, may we request, anyway, nandito nga ho yung mga regional director natin, if it's possible na ma-declare ang Dupax del Norte, Dupax del Sur, and Alfonso Castañeda ng maging national at the very least tertiary road. Kasi meron ho isang bayan sa amin, Alfonso Castañeda, na yung mga residents and even the officials na pag pumunta ho sa Capitol, kailangan pa ho dumaan sa ibang probinsya. Ang gusto ho ng aking mga kababayan, including ho mga officials doon, magkaroon ho sana ng daanan na from Alfonso Castañeda, Dupax del Sur, and Dupax del Norte. Kung pwede ho magkaroon ng feasibility study na pwede ho maging national tertiary road na ho yun.
Opo. Kailangan lang po ng endorsement ng probinsya sa ating Regional Director. Makikipag-usap po si Regional Director sa inyo, Mr. Chairman, para po maumpisa na ho natin yung proseso ng pag-reclassify nitong mga na-mention nyo pong mga daan.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'll relay this to the provincial government also. You made mention about that.
Maraming salamat.
And rest assured, sir, the Congressman of Nueva Vizcaya will be in full support of the projects of the DPWH, especially the realignment of the flood control fund, all or at the very least a portion of it to the other priority programs of the President. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din po.